In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to publish your Base44 app to the App Store. To do this, it used to be a bit more difficult. You would need to use external services, but right now they have made this much simpler. So first, open up the app you want to publish to the Apple App Store, and once you open it up, just make sure your app is all finished. And from there, you want to go and click on Publish in the top right. Now first, you could only publish to the web, so instead of publishing directly to a mobile app, you would need to use a tool like App My Site. But right here, we can go to Mobile App now. Then you will see Check Your App. Click on this drop down and click Run App Scan, and then go App Store Guidelines. It will then scan your app if it actually matches the guidelines of the App Store. Now you will also still need an Apple Developer Program account, so if you don't have that yet, just open up a new tab and search for Apple Developer Program. And you will need to open up an account. This is not free to do, but if you want to publish to the App Store, you will need to have one of these accounts. So if you go to Enroll right here, you can go to Enroll into this program. So the scan is now finished and everything was fine on my end. So from there you would go back to Publish, go Mobile App, and then it will build your store files. So usually Base44 builds for web, which means the files are not ready for mobile. So you need to manually click on Build Store Files, and it will then turn all of your sort of web code into the appropriate mobile code. And then the final step will be submitting your app. For this, you will need to have the builder plan, which is going to cost you $40 per month. There is a downside to using Base44 for publishing your mobile app. Once you have published it, it's quite difficult to make an update if you don't know how to code. So if you want to make an update using Base44, you need to do this entire process over again. But now you know how to publish your Base44 app to the App Store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.